Good morning, ladies. I am here to show you a juice that will help you balance out your hormones, something that we all struggle with, balancing out our hormones, especially after the age of 40. Well, I can tell you, you could do it in a very natural and holistic way by juicing certain vegetables and certain fruits that are going to help out balance out your hormones. The one thing I want to explain here is spinach and kale is amazing. It has a magnesium, which is a mineral that will help you balance out your hormones, especially working around the cortisol, which is the one that we tend to gain some weight around the belly when we're stressed out, and it plays a huge role in our lives as we get older. So this juice in particular is going to have spinach and kale, citrus fruits like orange, lemon, and lime have a lot of vitamin C, and it's amazing, and it works really well with balancing out your cortisol hormone. Strawberries and blueberries are really good. They have antioxidants, reduce inflammation. I typically don't juice blueberries because it just gets really sticky and stuck to the juicer, but you can absolutely juice strawberries. So today's juice is going to have spinach, kale, orange, lemon. I always add my apple because apples are atom to everything, and strawberries. All right, ladies, this is the juice that will balance out your hormones in a natural way. If you like, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Keep following me for more tips on juicing and healthy lifestyle tips. I'll see you guys soon.